Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant Sharma, and I received so many doubts from NEET PG 2024 aspirants that is it possible to crack NEET PG exam in last 25 days or 30 days. So guys, possible. Answer is yes. If you are blank, if you don't know what type of NEET PG 2024 exam is it, then also is it possible. But how to study, from where to study, what not need to study, which books are important, which subject is important, so many queries, from which material you have to study. So guys, I bring here solution, and which subject you have to leave or which subject you have to study. So answer is you have to study all 19 subjects. All 19 subjects are important. If you are not able to study theory in very short period of time, that means you have to solve MCQs. One more thing, you have to solve last 5-year NEET PG 2024 exam papers also. Solve all four options. All four options, why not is the answer, because exact same question is not going to be repeat in exam. The answers or questions will come from the options. Okay, four options you have to choose. For example, this year they like to ask a patient on antipsychotic drugs, which hormone will increase TSH, prolactin, and testosterone, or all of the above. So answer is prolactin. But same question they are not going to repeat, but from same topic, how they like to ask, patient complaints of headache, his serum prolactin level is very high, and patient is on which drug? So guys, antipsychotics, that is the answer. And they are going to mention some other drugs also. For this, I bring a crash course program also, guys. Crash course program is a very important program. I provide you 100 one-liners, total 800 one-liners from small 8 subjects like anesthesia, ENT, radiology, dermatology, psychiatry, such subject. In exam, they like to ask direct MCQs from these small subject. So if you prepare these 800 one-liners, image-based one-liners, okay, so you are very strong. And also 600 recorded videos I am going to provide you from all 19 subjects are there. And duration of each video is, some video is 3 minutes, some video is 5 minutes, some video is 6 minutes. So if you study this way, if you cover this course, this crash course, that means you are definitely going to crack your exam. If you take this subscription program, fee of this subscription program is 5,000 rupees only. And how to join this subscription program, details available in description of this video. So guys, take this subscription, crack this exam, save your 1 year, and this boosts you confidence in your body, energy in your body when you study in a right path. So guys, what happens with repeaters? First year they give attempt, fail. Second attempt they give with same material, same study material, fail. Third year, fourth, they are going to lose the exam. So guys, this is a peak time. There is a no time to study theory, etc. But this is a peak time. You have to study hard, do consistency, and take this subscription. This subscription help you to score excellent rank in your NEET PG 2024 exam. Thank you.